Hello! In this video I will show you how to create shadow in Photoshop. If you find this guide useful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thank you. Well, the first step is to choose the selection tool. Then, right-click on the layer, then click on Blending Options. Click on Drop Shadow, and then we can move the shadow. Well, now we will go to Layer, Layer Style, Create Layer. Now, select the shadow and press Ctrl+T on Windows or Command+T on Mac. Now we will press the key Control in Windows or Command in Mac, and we will move the shadow to our taste. In my case, I want to make this effect, that is to say, a more realistic shadow. And ready. If the video was useful to you, leave me a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.